It's alive! Kind of. So the motor isn't exactly in the best of shape, and I knew this going into it because I did a compression test and it was around 60 pounds, which isn't amazing, but I figured it would at least run half decent. And it actually does seem to run half decent, but it has a bit of a knock. Now I think this is the eccentric cam system, but I'm not totally sure. But you can hear it like, it sounds like it like travels through. It's definitely repetitive, but it doesn't sound like a rod knock. But here's the motor anyway. It is actually, this car is in phenomenal shape. So it is 100% original paint. I just polished it. It actually has like 2 original tires. The one wheel technically, or 2 wheels, have been repainted, but the actual car itself is all original paint. I'm missing a badge here and then one mirror. Otherwise everything's there. Such a cool little car. I figured I could at least do a walk around. I was hoping to actually be able to drive it, but the motor does need to be rebuilt. Going down the laneway and back, and then it's pretty much gonna head into the shop. So, but yeah, starting from the back, we have the Alberta Motor Association sticker. And stuff like this, like, I think to ordinary people, like whoop-de-doo, but it's not faded at all, which is super cool. It's been inside most of its life. And then it was originally sold at Capital City in Edmonton, and they had a cool little promotion that if you bought one of these you could have like free gas for a year. Those were definitely different times, but super cool. It's pretty straight. There's a few dings and stuff, but it's really not too bad. These are 12-inch wheels. The Minis have 10-inch wheels, and then obviously the tires. I believe this is an original one. Goodyear, I think, or maybe the Continentals are the original one. Yeah, this is made in Italy, so the front one is an original tire. But we have a funny little vent window here. These windows are actually quite curved in the back. And yeah, like the interior is in super nice shape as well. Funny little glove box here. I do actually have the badge, but the tabs are broken off. And then the seats, so original shape. Cleaned them up and they came out actually quite nice. And the doors as well. Just weird to think that it survived this well. Probably because the motor didn't last that long. That's likely why it was parked. Some sort of knock or whatever. These have sliding windows. I took this all apart. There's just a little rack and pinion in here. And now it works pretty nice. I like that. Vent window in the front. Actually pretty solid door closes. For a cheap little car, it's definitely built fairly well. Like, it has high quality bolts, and yeah, can't complain. And like, the headlights are hella, and all the bolts and stuff are Camex. It's all good quality stuff. What a hilarious little machine. Like, look at the suspension though. I did have to put new tie rods, new suspension in, some bushings, but otherwise, very nice shape. Definitely lucked out with this little machine. Original windshield. Ridiculous. Hell yeah. I love stuff like this. I think over the winter I will end up rebuilding the motor. It's totally worth it. Shouldn't be too bad. You can get all the mechanical parts. Body parts and stuff for these things are very difficult, but mechanical parts seem to be quite easy, so it'll be nice. So this winter, I will definitely have my work cut out for me. The engine rebuild should be fun, but it'll be an interesting project. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching.